Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, I'm going to talk about the TMY Mini Projector V08, a portable projector that's been getting a lot of attention for being affordable and packed with features. If you're thinking about setting up a home theater, taking a projector on a trip, or even playing video games on a big screen, this video is for you. I'll share everything I've learned about it, based on research, user reviews, and technical specs, to help you decide if it's worth buying. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy detailed reviews, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. The TMY Mini Projector V08 is a compact and portable projector that comes with an included projection screen, which is a huge plus since most projectors don't include one. The screen is foldable, easy to set up, and wrinkle-resistant, making it super convenient to use. The projector itself is lightweight, weighing just 3.114 pounds. That's about 1.42 kilograms, and has a simple yet modern design that fits well in any environment. Let's talk about the specs. The TMY V08 has a native resolution of 720p, that's 1280 by 720 pixels, but it supports 1080p Full HD, which ensures a sharp and detailed image. The projection size can range from 32 inches up to 220 inches, depending on the distance you place the projector. It also has an adjustable screen ratio between 4:3 and 16:9, which is great for watching movies, shows, or even giving presentations. Another strong point is the Bluetooth 5.1, which allows you to connect wireless speakers or headphones. And if you don't want to use external devices, it comes with a built-in speaker, which, according to users, is surprisingly good for its size. Oh, and the LED lamp has a lifespan of 60,000 hours, meaning you can use it for years without worrying. One of the things I liked most about the TMY V8 is its compatibility. It works with TV sticks, smartphones, tablets, HDMI, USB, and even devices with a 3.5mm jack. To connect smartphones, you'll need adapters, like a Lightning to HDMI for iPhones, or a micro USB or Type-C to HDMI for Android. If your Android doesn't support MHL, you can use a Chromecast for wireless connection. All of this makes it very versatile for different situations. So, what do I think about the TMY Mini Projector V08? Let's start with the pros. It's easy to set up and use, even for those with no experience with projectors. The included screen is a big plus and makes setting up your home theater much easier. The Bluetooth 5.1 works really well for connecting wireless audio devices. Its portability is perfect for taking on trips, to parties, or even using in your backyard. Now, a few things to consider. The native resolution is 720p, so if you're looking for ultra-sharp images on very large screens, this might not be the best choice. The built-in speaker is good, but for a full cinematic experience, I recommend using an external speaker. To connect smartphones, you'll need adapters, which aren't included in the box. Oh, and before I finish, I've left a link in the description to Amazon's Deals of the Day, where you can find amazing offers on all kinds of products. Who knows, you might find something interesting there. Plus, I've included an exclusive link with some selected products that are 50% off. There are a variety of items, and you might just find something you like. Just click the links and check them out. Take advantage of the discounts while they last. And if you found this tip helpful, leave a like to let me know. So, is the TMY Mini Projector V08 worth buying? In my opinion, yes. It's a great option for anyone looking for a versatile, portable, and affordable projector, especially if you plan to use it indoors or to set up a home theater. Of course, it's not perfect, but for the price, it delivers way more than I expected. If you're interested, the link to buy it is in the video description. And if you already own a TMY V08, let us know in the comments what you think about it. Don't forget to like the video, share it with anyone who's also looking for a projector, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. See you next time.